This is an addition to breaking news on my channel. Um, it, if you guys saw the Twistology sneak peek, we got 231 views and 2 likes. And I'll also showcase the tornado. It's not currently working that well, but I'll show you the tornado. And we should. Oh, that was quick. Oh, uh-oh. Oh well. Here is ambulance. Just click. Police setting. Click. I also just use cylinders. It's a little bit fat. Yeah, see, I'd say it's realistic. And here's the fire truck. Storm. We got the racks pull, and we got a storm. I fixed up the, thingy to actually go ahead and spawn in the storm early. Here is the storm. It's dropping down. We got a tornado on the ground. Tornado on the ground. EF 0. Yeah, as I said, it's still work in progress. Ah! Still work in progress. They got the ground scouring. Pretty nice, huh? Holy, uh-oh.
Damn, bro, they got the whole SWAT team, bro.
Uh-oh. Oh, God. Uh-oh. If you're wondering why I'm not getting picked up,
elite agent over here, bro.
work in progress. Uh-oh. No, plus this is just by gravity.
Yeah, bro, they got prop
Uh-oh.
on everything.
This is just by gravity. And best part is, this game is actually pretty, as I said it,
What if the
said it, not said it, said it, set, what? I don't even know what the freaking difference. I'm stuck. Hold on. Ambulance. Here's the ambulance. Oh, oops. Hold on. Should work now. There you go, it works. And I think I didn't add it to a fire truck. Also got some seats and turn on freaking pick up. Hold on. Hold on. Hey, 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 donuts in a fire truck. Hey. Let's go. Okay, we're spinning out, I'm still working on the rain. Oh, God. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, well. Police cruiser. Oh, wait, I forgot I put it in non-collide. It's a little bit low. Oh, well. Still working on the boundaries of the tornado. Excuse me, sir. I just realized tornadoes can't form with mountainy areas. He's floating.
It's still moving. Damn.
Never mind, it's not floating.
This Prop 4 is like...
Get back here!
That Prop 4
yeah!
is, bro. They look like drank freaking...
Get back here! That is the bottom of the tornado, and this, all of this is the rain map.
They killed him!
Best thing is, this is mobile friendly, so most of y'all can go ahead and play my game. Yeehaw! Welcome back. That was chaotic. At least for the secondary person.
Nah, bro. They
Which
got
wait, I think I
overshield.
need. I think I might need a Terra now. I don't know how you call it, but I think I might. Oh God! Wait! Whoa! The camera's broken. Bro news. Cut the cameras.
Damn, bro.
Bro, I said cut the
Get the
camera.
bubble 5
Jerry,
shots.
we're not having this problem again.
Damn overshield. They
Cut
got
the
2 kills.
cameras. Cut it. Cut the cameras. Okay.
Yo, they go with the combat shotgun.
Jerry. Cut the cameras. I said cut the